How's it cooking? Today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited points on SHEIN. So as you can see, there's nothing in here really, 2,800 points, but in the mod menu we can enable unlimited points. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this so you can have unlimited SHEIN points in 2025. Super cool, guys, totally works. So if you're poor on SHEIN, you know, you're feeling sad, but today I will show you how to get free SHEIN points, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and enable unlimited points, and let's see if they go up. So currently we're at 2,890. So we should see some change. So yes, there we go. The SHEIN points are increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. Fully works for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to our browser, and we're just going to go to zoomods.com, and this is a modded website with all these different mods. So what I want you to do is just type in SHEIN, press the down button, and then we just have to do a verification where we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free from the official store. So I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. I've already downloaded it, obviously, but I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. So as you can see, guys, just says like verify your device. So you just got to download 2 of these. Just follow instructions. Any of the 2 apps, doesn't matter. But just press on it, it'll bring you to the store, and you just want to download it and do what it says. So this one says download, play 4 games for 5 minutes, reach level 9, whatever. Just do 2 of them, you're good. So that is how to get the SHEIN mod with unlimited points for 2025, guys. Super insane. Fully works for iOS and Android. So I'm going to see you guys later, but if you're poor on SHEIN, you're going to love this, guys, because it actually works. Super amazing, and you can get unlimited points. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but if you need SHEIN points for free, definitely try us out. It's updated, and you guys are going to enjoy it. Trust me, it works really well for 2025.